Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT 2025 Chemistry MCQs Part 1A. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. अगर आपको KMU-CAT टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन के लिए MCQs चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. डियर व्यूवर्स, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. शुक्रिया. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें. Which gas is produced during photosynthesis? Option A, carbon dioxide, B, oxygen, C, nitrogen, and option D, methane. So the correct option is B, oxygen. Explanation is plants release oxygen O2 is a byproduct of photosynthesis. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. What is the chemical formula for glucose? Option A, H2O, B, CO2, C, C6H12O6, and option D, CH4. So the correct option is C, C6H12O6. Explanation is glucose is a simple sugar with 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. So this is very important MCQs. Which element is the most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Option A, oxygen, B, nitrogen, C, carbon dioxide, and option D, hydrogen. So the correct option is B, nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up to 78% of the atmosphere, while oxygen is 21%. What type of bond shares electrons between atoms? Option A, ionic, B, covalent, C, metallic, and option D, hydrogen. So the correct option is B, covalent. Covalent bonds involve electron sharing, for example H2O. Ionic bond transfer electrons, for example NaCl. So this is very important MCQs. Which scientist proposed the atomic theory? Option A, Einstein, B, Dalton, C, Bohr, and option D, Rutherford. So the correct option is B, Dalton. John Dalton's atomic theory 1808 stated that elements are made of indivisible atoms. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. What is the state of matter with definite volume but no fixed shape? Option A, solid, B, liquid, C, gas, and option D, plasma. So the correct option is B, liquid. Liquids take the shape of their container but maintain a constant volume. Which acid is found in vinegar? Option A, hydrochloric acid, B, acetic acid, C, sulfuric acid, and option D, citric acid. So the correct option is B, acetic acid. Vinegar contains 4 to 8% acetic acid. So dear students, this is very important MCQs. What is the chemical symbol for potassium? Option A, P, B, K, C, Pt, and option D, PO. So the correct option is B, K. K comes from Latin column. So, which process converts a gas directly to a solid? Option A, melting, B, deposition, C, evaporation, and option D, condensation. So the correct option is B, deposition. Frost forming from water vapor. What is the main component of diamond? Option A, iron, B, carbon, C, silicon, and option D, calcium. So the correct option is B, carbon. Diamond is a crystalline form of carbon with a tetrahedral structure. So this is very important MCQs. What is the atomic mass unit AMU of a proton? Option A 0, B 1, C 2, and option D -1. So the correct option is B, which is 1. Protons and neutrons each have 1 AMU, atomic mass unit. Electrons are negligible, which is 0 atomic mass unit. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Which compound is known as common salt? Option A H2O, B NaCl, C CO2, and option D C6H12O6. So the correct option is B, NaCl, sodium chloride. So this is the last MCQs. Which instrument measures pH? Option A thermometer, B pH meter, C barometer, and option D spectrometer. So the correct option is B, pH meter. Explanation is a pH meter measures hydrogen ion concentration to determine acidity or alkalinity. Thank you for watching my videos.